Hello. Today, we're going to learn how to send and accept a pending invitation on the Trupeer. We have a couple of options to do this. First, we can navigate to the home page and click on the Invite option. From there, simply enter the email address of the person you wish to invite and send out the invitation. That's one way to go about it. Now, let me show you another approach. By selecting the Organization option, you will be directed to the Organization page. As the admin of this account, you'll have the capability to send invitations to others within your organization. Once you're on the organization page, click on the Add Member option. Next, enter the email address of the person you wish to invite. After that, click on Send Invitation. You'll then be able to track the status of the invitation here. In this section, you can view the email address, the date the invitation was sent, and the current status of the invitation. Let's verify the status by checking the specific account to which the invitation was sent. Here, you can see the account we used. A pending invitation notification will pop up on the platform. Simply click on the arrow option. A pop-up will appear, showing the person you've invited along with some additional details. To proceed, click on the Accept Invitation button. Thank you for watching.